Here is a video on how to become a parent observer on Canvas. This will allow you to send messages with your teacher as well as see your students' work throughout the day. First off, you're going to need to go to nkcschools.instructure.com in order to reach our Canvas login. You will want to first log in as your student's ID. Their user ID will be their lunch number, and their password will be their birthday. So it'll be month, day, year. Once you are inside Canvas, you will see that on the left side there is this bar. You will want to click on Account, go all the way down to Settings. From there, you will see on the right-hand screen, it says Pair with Observer. Once you click on Pair with Observer, this will give you a pairing code. This pairing code is very important, so either copy it or write it down. Then you will need to go all the way back. We'll need to log out, and you'll be back to this home screen where it says Parent Observer of a Canvas user. Click here for an account. Once you click on this, it'll have you fill out your name, your email, the password that you would like to use, and that student pairing code that you previously got. Once you click and you fill this out, you will be able to start seeing your student's course.